Hey, welcome back. Thanks for coming to level 2. So I see that you have mastered the idea of recording things on the camera app, and you want to try SnagIt. So I'm going to let Bridget tell you about how to flip back and forth between your webcam and your computer screen. Like, let's say you have a presentation you want to flip back and forth. I'm going to let her talk about it. Before I do, I want to make sure that we mention that when you open up SnagIt, there's some audio options. I don't want you guys to mess up, but there's 2 different audio options. One is for your computer sound, one is for your microphone. I would double check and play around with that before you start recording anything, just to make sure that if you're talking, people can hear you. So when you do that, just mention that. So Bridget, take it away.
Hey there, so today in this video we're going to be watching just a quick how-to with SnagIt. SnagIt, again, is just a really simple video tool that lives in our computer. There's no extra downloads needed. If you're using your FCPS computer, you already have this software, which makes it really easy to use and a bit more user-friendly. So when wanting to find SnagIt, you're going to have your computer screen open like this. Obviously, I am currently, well, I guess not obviously, but I'm currently recording with SnagIt, so some of the tools that I'm going to show you and the little buttons aren't going to work because it's not going to allow me to record 2 things at once. But in SnagIt, you're either going to be able to access it at the bottom right hand of your screen where you'll see a little S. It might be blue, it might be orange. Either way, that's going to be SnagIt. Mine's blinking because it's telling me that I'm recording. The other option is to go and search for SnagIt in your computer. So right next to the start button or the Windows little symbol, you're going to click on the circle and type in SnagIt, and you're going to open the app. And from there, you're going to view a image that looks like this. This is going to give you options. If you're at the video option, and yours most likely will be right away at the image section with the camera, but if you're at the video section, you're going to want to turn your webcam on. This will allow you to go back and forth between showing your computer screen and showing your face. You'll also, when you are recording, these buttons will disappear, and you'll have some small buttons in the bottom right-hand corner. This will allow you to pause your video, but also go back and forth between showing your face and showing your computer. And this little person here tells me that if I want you guys to see my face, I can click it, and here I am. Some of the reasons why you want to do this with your students is, 1, we want our students seeing us, they miss us, but also you can hold up a dry erase board, have poster paper, whatever it is that you're teaching, and you can talk and they're seeing everything that you're doing on the outside. But if you want to use any tools on the desktop, if you want to use your document camera, if you are possibly, I don't know, showing people how to use a certain tool, you're going to want to use your desktop. And by doing that, you just, again, click over. So when you feel like you're done with your video, you're going to be able to hit stop. You'll pause your video first, and then you're going to see a square, which is the universal sign for stop in media, and it's going to open it up in editor. So when you get into editor, it will show up here. This is the view that you'll get with your video right there. You're going to be able to play and review your video. I was watching this current video and realized didn't have all the things that I thought you guys were going to be able to see, so I've restarted. But you'll be able to play. Hey there, so we're going to quickly learn how to use SnagIt. And then when you feel like, yep, I reviewed it, looks great, file, save as, save it either to your desktop or to a new folder, and then you'll be able to go from there. Again, you're able to pause and start and continue and resume your video as many times as you want. It is something that is a simplistic version of video capturing, like I said, and video making. No real bells and whistles. There's no text that you can have on the screen and things like that, like some of the other things can have, but this is a really nice basic one, and it serves the purpose of what we need.
Thank you, Bridget. So now that we have our video recorded, we've gone back and forth between our webcam and our screencasting. We're going to upload it into YouTube. All right, so the first thing you need to do to upload to YouTube is open up your web browser, which I'm using Chrome. Since YouTube is a Google product, it works best in Chrome. So I just go to youtube.com, and everybody has a sort of login up here. You can see your probably picture if you have it, your initials if not. But we're going to go to this create a video and more, and we're going to choose the upload video option since we have that file. Now, if this is the first time you've ever uploaded a video, it's going to probably set you up with it's going to ask you some prompts to set up a creator account, and that honestly is a really great resource for your families during this time. I have an account already, so it just brings me to this upload video screen. Now I can drag and drop a file here, or I can just select a file. Now once again, Bridget's file is different than the one I have. The video I actually have is on my desktop, and it's going to be actually the level 1 video we did. I'm going to upload that to YouTube. That will help you guys out. So what we have is it's going to choose the file. We bring up details. As we're doing this, you can tell that underneath it's already starting to upload. So we can do some steps where I'm just going to this is going to be level 1 of asynchronous lessons, and this will be how to. The description is how to record a video using. Once again, this was level 1, so it was using the camera app and uploading it to Blackboard, which is 24/7 learning. So I am going to scroll down because I have ways to scroll down. My thumbnails will populate once the video is completely processed, so I'll be able to go back to that and change what the images they see when they have a video. I'm not going to put this in any playlist at this time. And the next question is audience. Is this video made for kids? I'm going to say yes. Most of the videos you're going to do are made for kids. And I've said nothing in this video that wouldn't be for kids, so I'm just going to say it's for kids. Age restriction advanced. I'm not going to have that. Paid promotions. Nah, we don't need to get paid for this. Anyway, I'm going to go to next. It should bring me to video elements. We can complete this later. And these are advanced steps. I don't do these on my videos, so I'm not really going to worry about it. It's adding an end screen or adding cards and things like that. Some things I don't even know what they mean because I don't have a paid YouTube account. I don't get paid for views as some other channels do. So we're 95% processed. I'm going to go to next where it's visibility. And this is an important thing. If I want to eventually upload this video to Blackboard, I cannot make it unlisted or private. If I do, I can't search for it. So I would need to make it a public video. Like I said, the previous level 1 video showed us that we can just load a file directly to Blackboard for that houses it. YouTube itself is a place where it houses the videos, so we can have more space. So it's a place, it's like a cloud. I'm putting the video onto YouTube to host where that video is going to be. Now, if I want to make it the public, that is something that I can post a link to on Blackboard. But for this case, I'm going to make it public because I will want to put it so that everyone can view it. Yeah, and I can change that later if I want to. But anyway, I can schedule this to go at a different date. I'm going to check the following. Do kids appear in this video? My son Vincent does, but other than that, no. And I can publish the video right now. But I'm going to go back to details really quickly because I said it was uploaded. I can choose any of these screenshots to be the first thing people see. And I may actually upload one later that makes it look that says like the level 1 and what to expect. But for this case, I'm gonna make it this funny face of me, because why not? So we will say next, and we'll jump to visibility, and we will publish this video. And after it is published, you are live on YouTube. So your YouTube video is published. You are ready to copy that link and post it to your Google Classroom, or post it to your Blackboard, or just email it directly to your parents, whatever that is. So once again, that's level 2. You're on your way. You're doing great stuff. Your kids are learning asynchronously from you. You don't have to be live. You're creating content and putting it out there for your kids to see. And if you still want to learn how, like, let's say you have a document camera. Let's say you have other options, other things that you want to be able to do. You want to be able to edit videos. Then you're going to need level 3. Level 3 is going to be video editing. So that's when you have a lot of different things, a lot of different video files, and you want to put them all in one video, kind of like I've done for level 1 and level 2 myself. But level 3 is where you're going to put videos together, maybe even add music, cut different things out. That's level 3. So if you want to watch that, stay tuned. It'll be the next video.